It's so cold. Okay. You gonna clean it?
Huh?
I thought you were gonna clean it for me.
Oh, I was.
Here.
Do I take it out? Like, do I take that off? Oh, yeah. I'll wash it off. And then I put this on.
Open it.
I can open it.
Okay. Come over here. Hold on. Get me a towel. Get me one of those towels. Hold on a second. Okay. Okay, that's good. That's good, Isaiah.
Okay. What do I do?
Just go over it so it's not bleeding anymore.
Okay.
Okay, you can throw that away.
Do you have any good? Okay. What next? Oh.
What's that? I'll open it up for you. Now take one of the small ones. Oh, that works. Let's just do this. Start to bleed again. Can you get it?
Mm-hmm. I picked it.
Do it down. Get it on there straight. Hold on. Get it on there straight so.
Hey, Kayla, do you want to decorate it so it would be like a tie?
I'm good. Maybe later.
Okay.
Go ahead and go eat. Thank you.